नमस्ते बच्चों, मैं आपका हिंदी अध्यापक आज रहीम के दोहे पढ़ाने जा रहा हूँ। रहीम, इनका नाम है अब्दुल रहीम खान खाना। इनका नाम है अब्दुल रहीम खान खाना। ये अकबर के दरबार में नवरत्नों में से एक है। अब्दुल रहीम खान खाना was one of the person in Akbar's court who was famous in that Navratna. His father was a bodyguard of Akbar. His father was a bodyguard of Akbar. So let us see there. He has written so many dohas there. So from that, very few dohas we have taken here. So dohe is nothing but the words will be very less and the meaning will be more. दोहे का अर्थ यह है कि जिसमें थोड़े से अक्षर होते हैं और मीनिंग उसका ज्यादा होता है। अक्षर थोड़े से और अर्थ उसका ज्यादा होता है। तो मैं आपको अभी पढ़ाने जा रहा हूं। पहला स्टांजा, फर्स्ट स्टांजा। रही मन धागा प्रेम का, मत तोड़ो चटकाई, टूटे से फिर ना मिले, मिले गांठ परी जाए। In this stanza, Rahiman is telling the Rahiman Dhaga Prem Ka. Rahiman Dhaga Prem Ka, the thread of love. The thread of love. Our relation with our relatives there. That is called our relations with our relatives. This love thread is there with our relations. If once it break there, again we cannot join it. Again we cannot join it. If we will join or if we will tie it also, what will happen there? One knot will come there. Suppose, for example, this is a thread there. Okay. If once we will break there, we are trying to tie it there. After tying also, it won't be correct there. If forcefully, if you are tying there, so here what will come there? Knot will come there. Something will come there. If once the thread of love broken, then as it is, how it was previously, like that we cannot make it there. So, रहीमन धागा प्रेम का, मत तोड़ो चटकाए, टूटे से फिर ना मिले, मिले गांठ परी जाए. Chatkai means todna, to break. If once the thread of love broken there, whatever we can try there, but it won't be as it is, how it was previous. If once it's broken, so we cannot make it as it is. Correct? If we will tie it also, something not will come here. Something what will come there? Not will come there. So our relation also is like this there. If all the relatives are there, if lovely we are speaking with them, suddenly something will happen there, fight or something there. So after they coming also, they are talking with us. But how previously we were, our relations were there, now it won't be like that. Okay. Second stanza now. रहीमन रहीमन निज मन की बिथा, मन ही राखो गोई, सुनी अठिले हैं लोग सब, बाटी न ले है कोई. In the second stanza, Rahiman is telling there, Rahiman naz man ki bitha. Rahiman niz man ki bitha. Niz means our. Man means heart. Bitha means sad or something problems are there. So Rahiman is telling there, whatever problems you have, man hi rakho goy. Goy means hide. Goy means hide. So whatever problems you have in your heart, you should not say to anyone, hey, this thing happened to me. What should I do there? So whatever problems you have to sort it out. You should not say to anyone. Otherwise, what will happen there? You see there, Suni atilehe log sab. Atile means what? Majak udana. Majak udana. The people will joke on us after listening our problems. After listening our problems. Suni atile hai log sab bati na lehe koi. Suppose you told. So what will happen there? The people will joke on you. The people will joke on you, and nobody is ready to share what problems you have. That's why it's better to not to share with anybody. What will happen there if you will share there? The people will joke on you. So how much big problems you have there, you should not share with anybody. This is the meaning of second stanza. Third stanza now. आई के सादे सब सदे, सब सादे सब जाय, रवि मन मूल ही सिंचिबो, फूले फले अघाय. In this third stanza, एक के सादे सब सदे means at a time we have to do only one work. We have to do only one work. Suppose you are eating there. While eating, you cannot take bath. Correct or not? Okay. So one time, one work, if you are doing there, so it will be perfect. It will be perfect. If at a time more than one work, if you are trying to do that, no work will be completed. So इसीलिए एक समय पर हमें एक ही कार्य करना चाहिए. एक के सादे सब सदे. एक काम अगर करोगे तो वो अच्छा हो जाएगा. सब सादे सब जाए. If you are trying more work at a time there, so you cannot complete any one work also, you cannot be completed. Rahiman mulhi sinchbo, fule fale aghai. So if you want Rahiman mulahi means what? Roots. Mulahi means what? Roots. Sinchbo means watering to the plants. And fule fale aghai. Fule means what? Flowers. And fale means what? Fruits. Flowers and fruit. If you want the sweet fruits, if you want the sweet fruits, you have to water the plant on the root of the tree. Suppose like this tree is there, okay, like this tree is there. So here you have to water. Here you then only you can get the good fruits and flowers there. Only simply upstairs you are watering there, so what will happen there? You won't get the fruit and the flowers also. So that's why Rahim is telling there, if you have to water the plant there, you have to water on the roots, then only you can get the good fruits and flowers. Fourth stanza. चित्रकूट में रमी रहे, रही मन अवध नरेश, जा पर विपदा पड़त है, सो आवत यह देश. So fourth stanza, Rahim is telling there, Chitrakoot में रमी रहे, रहीमन अवध नरेश. When Lord Rama got exile of 14 years. 14 years of exile, इसको वनवास हो गया था. किसको? राम को. तो वो कहाँ चला गया था? चित्रकूट में चला गया था. कहाँ चला गया था? चित्रकूट के घने जंगल में सकता था. वहां पर कोई आदमी लोग तो रह नहीं सकते थे. चित्रकूट में रमी रहे, रहीमन अवध नरेश. राम जो है, लॉर्ड Rama was the king of Ayodhya. Lord Rama was a son of Ayodhya's king. So when he got exiled there in this place, there no people can stay there. In that thick forest, he started to stay there when he got 14 years exile. जहाँ पर विपदा पड़त है, सो आवत यह देश. जहाँ पर विपदा मीन्स व्हाट? प्रॉब्लम्स. सो जिस पर संकट आ जाते हैं, वो कहां पर जाता है? चित्रकूट में जाता है. एंड व्हेन लॉर्ड कृष्णा गॉट अ प्रॉब्लम और दैट एक्साइल ऑफ 14 years, he also went to the Chitrakoot. It was a thick forest there. Ordinary people cannot stay there. Many animals will be there. They may kill the people also. So इसीलिए रहीमन कह रहा है कि चित्रकूट में रमी रहे रहीमन अवध नरेश. So when he got the exile there, 14 years, he went to Chitrakoot and started staying there. That means here second line, जहाँ पर विपदा पड़त है, which people are getting problems there, they can only go and stay in Chitrakoot. Other person cannot survive there. Fifth stanza now. दीर्घ दोहा अर्थ के आकर थोरे आही जो रही मनट कुंडली सिमिटी कुदी चढ़ी जाए. दीर्घ दोहा अर्थ के. दीर्घ मीन्स व्हाट? लॉन्ग. दीर्घ मीन्स लॉन्ग. दोहा अर्थ मीन्स व्हाट? मीनिंग ऑफ द लॉन्ग stanza. Meaning of the long stanza. Akar thode ahi. Akar means letters. So which stanza has long meaning? Which stanza has long meaning? The letters will come very few. The letters will come very few. So दीर्घ दोहा अर्थ के आखर आहे थोड़ी. So which stanza has long meaning there in dohas? Their letters will be very less. जो रहीम नट कुंडली सिमटी कूदी चढ़ी जाए. इसलिए रहीम कह रहा है नट कुंडली. नट मीन्स व्हाट? दिस जादूगर होता है ना, जादूगर. सर्कस प्लेयर्स विल बी देयर. Circus actor will be there. From the small ring, from this small ring also they adjust their body like this. They adjust their body and they will jump into the ring. They will jump into the ring there. जो रहीम नट कुंडली सिमिटी कूदी चढ़ी जाए. So anyhow this circus jokers are there. Circus jokers are there. If they can easily jump into the small ring, they will adjust their body. They will adjust their body. That means what? The big body is there and small ring is there, but anyhow they will jump there like this. In this long meaning is there, which stanza has long meanings, that letters dohas will be very short. Next stanza now. धनी रहीम जल पंख को लघु जय पियत अघाय उदधी बड़ाई कौन है जगत पियासो जाय. धनी रहीम जल पंख को. जल पंख. पंख means what? Mud. In the pond, when the water is going to dry, there very less water will be there. That time we can see the mud there. That muddy water will be there now. That. Dhani means dhanya, satisfaction. Rahim jal. Jal means water. Laghu jiya piyat. Laghu means small insects will be there in the pond, in that water there. So what is happening there? Though the pond is very small, though the pond is very small, and the water is also muddy, but what will happen there? Those all small creatures are there now. They are drinking that water and they are becoming satisfied. Though it is small there, the insects are drinking that same water, muddy water, and getting satisfaction. But here what is happening there? Udadi badai kon hai. Udadi means what? Ocean. Udadi means what? Ocean. It is very big. We cannot see from one corner to another corner. Jagat piyaso jai. Jagat means what? World. If the world's peoples are going near the sea or ocean, the ocean cannot make the people satisfaction, or it will not be quench the thirst of the people. See the comparison you can see there. Small pond is there. Small pond is there. Small pond is there. It is quenching the thirst of insect which they are staying there. Correct. But the ocean is very big. If the people wanted to quench their thirst there, they cannot quench their thirst there, because the water of ocean will be salty. The water of ocean will be salty, and we cannot be satisfied after drinking that water. That's why, though the pond is very small there, we can, or insect can be, after drinking the water of pond, we will be satisfactory, we will be satisfactory, but the water of the ocean we cannot drink and get satisfied. Then what is the use of that water there, which is not getting satisfactory to us? Like this Rahim is telling to us. Then next stanza, नादरिजी, नादरिजी तन देत मृग, नरधन हेतु समेत, तेरहिम पशु से अधिक, रिजेहु कछु न देत. In this stanza, Rahim is telling there, Nadi rizi tan deha det mriga. When mrig means what? Deer. Mrig means what? Deer. One animal, deer, hiran, उसको जब म्यूजिक सुनाई देती है हिरन को, when the deer hears the music, it doesn't know there whether the hunter is killing to it. It's sacrificing its life there. हिरन को पता नहीं होता है, जब वह म्यूजिक सुनते रहता है ना, उसको पता नहीं चलता कि कौन आकर उसे मार रहा है. वो संगीत के कारण अपनी जान न्योछावर कर देता है, अपनी जान न्योछावर कर देता है. नरधन हेत समत. नर मीन्स व्हाट? पीपल. धन मीन्स wealth. Het samet. So like this, some peoples are there, after listening the music, or some lovable persons are there, whatever we are watching there, if we are getting satisfaction, so we should give something to the people, correct? Freely we should not watch there. Suppose one show we are watching there, and you are becoming so happy to watching that show, so something you have to give there. Even the deer is sacrificing its life there, but some human beings are there, they are watching the shows, they are getting satisfactory, they are becoming happy to see that show there, but they are not giving any money. So like these people, what Rahim is telling there, you see there, ते रहीम पशु से अधिक रिजे ही कछु न देत. Which people are watching the show and becoming so happy there, after becoming happy also, they are not giving money or something to watch that show there. These guys are better than these guys. The animals are better there, better than these guys. The animals are better there. We can see the example, deer is sacrificing its life there because of the music there. So when you are getting happiness by others there, so something you have to give there, otherwise you are not better than the animal, you are worse than the animal. It is the meaning of this stanza. तो इससे हमें रहीम क्या बोलता है कि जब भी हमें कुछ देखने के बाद आनंद मिलता है, तो उस व्यक्ति को हमें कुछ ना कुछ देना चाहिए, जैसे हिरन ने अपनी जान सैक्रिफाइस कर दी थी. बिगड़ी, नेक्स्ट स्टांजा, बिगड़ी बात बने नहीं, लाख करो किनको, रही मन पाटे दूध को, मथे न माखन होय. In this stanza, Rahim is telling there, बिगड़ी बात बने नहीं. बिगड़ी बात means whatever relations are there with our relatives, if once it break there, लाख करो किन कोई, we cannot be as it is. If anything, बिगड़ी बात बने नहीं. अगर एक बार अगर हमारी बात बिगड़ गई, हमारे संबंध हो जो बिगड़ गए, तो क्या हो जाता है, 1,00,000 बार भी तुम प्रयत्न करो, you can try more than lakhs time, but it won't be as it is. We are fighting there, no, our relatives are fighting for the land there. If once they fought there, no, previously how we were talking there, and after that now if we are talking there, no, something is there, okay, that doubts will be there, so it won't be like previous. Rahiman फाटे दूध को मथे न माखन होय. That's why Rahiman is telling there, fatte doodh means spoiled milk. Spoiled milk. If you are not keeping in the fridge the milk in summer season, what will happen there? It will spoil there. And with that spoiled milk only, if you wanted to make curd, you have to rotate like this. Correct or not? You have to rotate like this. Then only you can get butter. Correct? Then only you can get butter there. But when you will get the curd there, when the milk is good there. If the spoiled one milk is there, whatever you can try there, you won't get the curd or butter. Correct? So like this, our relations are also like this. If once we will spoil our relations there, it won't be at it is. हमारे संबंध भी ऐसे ही है. अगर एक बार बिगड़ गए तो 1,00,000 बार भी हम कितना भी प्रयत्न करें, वो पहले के जैसे नहीं होते हैं. रही मन देखे बड़े न को, लघु नदी जे डारी, जहाँ काम आवे सुई, कहाँ करे तरवारी. In this stanza, Rahim is telling there, Rahiman देखी बड़ेन को लघु न दीजे डारी. To seeing the big friends or rich friends, you should not leave your poor friends. You should not leave your poor friends, because when you are small there, the small friends are only helping to you. But after 10 years, you may be getting the education for MBBS or for advocate or something there. So you may forget this friend. You may forget this small friend, but we should not do like this. To seeing the big friends or rich friends, we should not leave the poor friends. So in say second line, what Rahim is telling there, jaha kaam aave sui, kaha kare tarwari. Kaam means what? Work. Sui, needle. Stitching work will be there now. So kaha kare tarwari. Tarwari means sword. Suppose your dress torn. Suppose your shirt torn there. So small needle only will be helpful to stitch your shirt. If you will try to stitch the shirt by sword, what will happen there? The shirt will be torn again. So small needle is very helpful for you, but the sword, instead of that, you cannot get help. Like that, when you, after looking the rich friends, you should not leave your poor friends. So like this, best suggestion Rahim is giving to us. Last two stanzas are there. रहीमन निज संपत्ति बिना को न आए, बिन पानी जो जलज को नहीं रवि सके बचाए. In this stanza, Rahman is telling there, Nij Sampati Bina, whatever wealth we have, if you have good wealth, so what will happen there? Whatever problems you may be getting there, you can sort it out with that money. Correct or not? Okay. So Bina Pani Jo Jalaj ko, Bina Pani means without water. Bina Pani means without water. Jalaj means lotus flower. Jalaj means lotus flower. Nahi Ravi Sake Bachaye. Ravi, sun. And Bachaye means what? Save. So what is happening there? In the pond, like this lotus flower will be there. Correct or not? So if water is there, whatever sun rays are falling there on the lotus, it won't be right to the lotus there. Correct or not? But once the water of the pond will be dried there, so what will happen there? If you are pulling out that lotus and keeping outside, so without water, the sun rays will dry to lotus. करेक्ट. तो हमारा जीवन भी ऐसे ही है. अगर हमारे पास पैसे है तो कितने भी संकट आ जाए हम उससे बचे रह सकते हैं. जैसे कमल जो है पानी में अगर रहेगा तो सूरज की कितने भी किरणें आ जाए वो सूखेगा नहीं. अगर वही इसका पानी कम हो जाएगा या कमल को तुम बाहर निकाल कर रखोगे तो थोड़ी देर में ये क्या हो जाएगा? कमल मुरझा जाएगा. लास्ट आंजा. रही मन पानी राखिए, बिन पानी सब सुन, पानी गए न उबरे, moti manus chun. In this last stanza, Rahiman is telling there, Rahiman pani rakhiye. Pani means what? Shining. Our character is there, no? It should be shine always. Our character is there, no? It should be shine always. Binu pani sab sun. If pani is not there, water is not there, or shining is not there, so your character will be very worse there. Simply you are going somewhere there, nobody is identifying you, so that character is not good there. So wherever you can go there, your impact should be there. Wherever you can go there, your impact must be there. Pani gaye na ubare, moti manus chun. Here you see there, in our life water is very important, like our character. Correct or not? If water is not there, moti means what? Pearl. Moti means what? Pearl. In the sea we can see there, the pearl will be like this. Here shell will be there, shell will be there, in that one drop will be there. After some year it will become pearl there. Correct? Because of that water only, in the shell what we are getting there? Pearl we are getting there. And manus, no human being will be alive there without water there on this earth there. So water is very important. And chun means what? Atta. Wheat flour is there, no? If water is not there, how can you mash it and make the chapatis there? So without water nothing is there. Correct? So like this, without water we cannot do anything. Like that, our character also, it should be shine always. Wherever you can go there, the impact must be there. Otherwise, no value of your life there. So like this, so many things Rahim has told us. He has given wonderful message to us. If we will follow in our life there, definitely we will be successful in our life. अगर रहीम के दोहों का जो भी अर्थ मिलता है हमारे जीवन में, अगर हम लोग उसका अनुकरण करें तो 100% हमारा जीवन क्या हो जाएगा? अच्छा हो जाएगा. इसी के साथ में ही हम अभी क्लास को समाप्त करते हैं.